Making your writing crystal clear. Editing for clarity, coherence, and consistency. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of editing. Editing is not just about fixing typos. It's about making sure your writing communicates effectively. We'll be focusing on 3 essential components: clarity, coherence, and consistency. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to refine your writings with these 3 C's to create a compelling narrative. Clarity is all about making sure your writing is easy to understand. It means eliminating ambiguity and ensuring that every sentence and word has a clear purpose. 1. Avoid jargon. Unless you're writing for a specific professional audience, minimize technical terms. If you must use them, ensure you explain them. 2. Shorten sentences. Long, complex sentences can confuse readers. Split them up, use punctuation wisely, and avoid excessive use of conjunctions. 3. Use active voice. Passive voice can make sentences convoluted. Instead of saying, "The book was read by Mary," say, "Mary read the book." Coherence ensures that your writing flows logically from one point to the next. It's the glue that binds your ideas together. 1. Use transitions. Words like, however, therefore, and additionally, guide your readers through your thoughts. 2. Stick to one main idea per paragraph. Each paragraph should revolve around a single concept, making it easier for readers to follow your line of reasoning. 3. Rearrange for logic. Sometimes, it might be necessary to shuffle around sentences or paragraphs to ensure a logical progression of ideas. Consistency is about maintaining uniformity throughout your work. Inconsistencies can distract your reader and reduce the credibility of your writing. 1. Maintain a consistent tense. If you start narrating in the past tense, don't suddenly switch to the present or future unless there's a valid reason. 2. Use a style guide. If you decide on using American English spellings or a specific format for dates, stick to it throughout your piece. 3. Be consistent with characters and settings. If a character is described with blue eyes at the beginning of a story, those eyes shouldn't change color by the end, unless it's a plot point. There you have it, the 3 C's of effective editing. Remember, writing is an art, but editing is the finesse that elevates it. By ensuring clarity, maintaining coherence, and sticking to consistency, you're well on your way to producing polished and effective writings. We hope this guide helps you in your English language journey. Until next time, keep writing and keep refining.